Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you two beautiful, inexpensive Valentine's DIY that you will absolutely love. And you can definitely keep it up year round. So to start off, you are going to need about 7 craft sticks, and these measure just under 6 inches and about 10 tumbling blocks. And you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. I'm going to use Minwax Stain and dark walnut for this project. Dip a small amount on a clean cloth and then rub it on the wood. And I like to do about 2 at a time so that I can wipe off the excess before it dries. Do the same thing with the craft sticks, apply the stain, and then wipe off. Give it some time to dry, but you know, if I were to be honest, I just couldn't wait. I did wait a little bit, but you know, I figured I'd let it dry completely when the piece was finished, and fortunately it turned out just fine. At this point, you're going to glue 3 blocks together, so get a ruler or a carpenter square and then dab a small amount of glue on one end of the block and stick that to the end of another block, and you're going to make about 4 of these, one for each side of the frame. I'm using Titebond wood glue, which does dry fast and it has a very durable hold, but I do give it a few minutes to dry. And once that's dried, you can start gluing the blocks together to form a square. Now before I glue the sticks down, I work on placement. I lay them down on the frame and space them out. Then once I have it the way I like it, I glue them down. And just look how lovely it is looking already. I bought these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree, and they came in a pack of 8, so that was a really good deal. They do say love on one side, but it's fine because I'm just going to paint over it anyway. There's a hole on top and you can easily cover that up with wood filler or spackle or put a little ribbon on top. But for this one, I have a little daisy sticker that I'm going to put over it. So I paint the heart with white acrylic paint, then hot glue that down. Put a little daisy on top, and just to make sure that it doesn't wobble, I glue a tumbling block on the bottom back, and that will keep it from falling over. And we're all done. I'm just so amazed at how gorgeous and charming this turned out to be. On to the next one. I got this large wooden heart from Dollar Tree, and it measures about 11.5 inches in width and height. It's a beautiful blank canvas to create. I'm going to be staining it with dark walnut again, and you certainly can use whatever stain or paint you prefer. So I just brush the stain on and immediately wipe off as much as I can. I really love the richness of the stain and the beautiful grain patterns that peek through. Now my favorite part. I'm going to be embellishing with flowers that I made from strips of fabric, greenery that I bought from Walmart, and lace ribbons that I had plenty lying around. I place the lace on the left side of the heart, and I just add a little bit of hot glue on the back to secure that. Then I take some twine and then I place that diagonally on the heart and then secure that in the back as well. Then I add my flowers and greenery, and as I mentioned, I made these flowers with strips of fabric. They are very, very easy and inexpensive to make. And finally, I take 2 miniature clothespins, and I can't remember where I got these, but Dollar Tree does sell something similar. And now you can pin up a special picture or a sweet note Whatever it may be, this heart will be a very special place to display it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye-bye.